Hey guys, what's up? It's Whitney, and for today's makeup tutorial, I am starting off with the Nicol Concelio Smashbox Primer Water in Cool Coconut. I'm just going to spray that all over to set my face so we can go in with some foundation. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Super Stay in shade 120 Ivory. This is a very summery tutorial inspired by the Nikkie tutorials video that she did on her summer glam. I thought it'd be a very fun video to recreate since it is summer and it's just a very fun look. I didn't use all the same products but pretty much the same, and I switched it up a tiny bit but not too much. Then I'm going to go in with the Tarte Radiance drops just to give us that very dewy foundation, very, dewy, shiny, you know. I didn't want it to be totally matte because it's more summer, you know. I want it to be a lot more shiny, a lot more, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm going to beat that all in with my beauty blender. This is the one from Mary Kay. It's my favorite beauty blender. I use it all the time for foundation. Then I'm going to pick up the Kylie Cosmetics Skin Concealer in shade Pearl. I have been loving this concealer. It's like one of my favorites right now. I like it because it's not too matte and it does leave some kind of a shimmer whenever you blend it in. It's very pretty and it has a very nice finish whenever you blend it all out. I'm going to take a different beauty blender and blend out all of my concealer. For very nice under eyes and all the T-zone, you know. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade 100, and I'm just going to set my under eyes with that. Make sure they don't move and stay all day, even if it's hot outside, even if I'm sweating, I know it will stay. Then I'm going to take my big e.l.f. powder fluffy brush and then set the rest of my face, just so everything stays down all day today. So when it gets hot, you know, we want it to stay. When we're sweating, we still want to do the glams, you know. So we still want it to stay. We still want it to be rock solid, you know. Then I'm going to take the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. What's new? Use this every time. Best eyeshadow primer out there, in my opinion. But you know. Then I'm just going to buff that all out, and I'm not going to set it with powder or anything. I'm going to leave it wet. Then I'm going to take the ColourPop Double Entrée. Then we're going to, first shade we're going to dip into is Nip Slip. These names are so funny. Reminds me of summer. Nip Slip, you're wearing like a bikini or a swimsuit or something. Then I'm going to take that and I am going to put it all in the crease. I'm not going to take this shade very high, just mostly in the crease and just buff it out. We're going for a very nude shimmery eyeshadow today, so we're just going to really buff that into the crease just to add some dimension. And then I'm using my Kylie brush to buff all this in. This is like my favorite blending brush at the moment. Then we're going to dip into Naked. And then I'm just going to put that over the top of Nip Slip just to blend out those edges because I don't want any harsh edges. I want it to be a very nice transition, very soft. And I took it on a slightly smaller blending brush. Then we're going to dip into Draft. It's a very champagne-y, sandy color that I thought would be so pretty on this. And then we're going to take that all the way into the crease, too. I know, we're getting crazy with it. Taking it all the way up there. What Nikkie was going for was that glossy lid look without the gloss. And so I tried to imitate that just a little bit. Then I'm going to blend it all out. Then I'm going to go into a Dirty Little Secret a separate eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Bikini. It's just a very pretty shimmery sand color. And then we're going to take that all the way up to the brow bone and just blend it out. just so we can get all of that shimmer, that glossy look, you know, without the gloss. I'm going to take a little bit more of that and just tap it and then just blend it out whenever we get up to the brow bone. And I'm going to take the fluffy brush, or I'm going to take the KKW Beauty Ultralight Beam Gloss in Iridescent, and I'm going to just tap that over where we put the Dirty Little Secret. Just to add a little bit more intensity, add a little bit more shimmer, add a little bit more, you know, pizzazz. And then we have lashes. I went in with the AC lashes. And then we're going to pick up the Tarte Pro Glow Highlight and Contour. And I'm going to pick up the shade Sculpt just to start contouring. I'm not going to do a crazy harsh contour, but I do want it to still look like my cheekbones are really carved out, you know? So I'm just going to take that, tap it, and spin it. And I'm going to go up on the temples and under my jaw. And then I'm going to also go over the bridge of my nose with this. Just to give it that little like sunburn effect, you know, like in the summer how you get that little line across your nose. Then we're going to go into the Pure Cosmetics 1-1 Blush Book. And I'm going in with the color Determined. And it's a very bronzy orange color. Now, I'm first going to go on the apples of my cheeks, and then take it all the way back. And little motions. You don't want to pick up a lot of this because it's very, very pigmented, so you definitely want to tap off the excess. And then I'm going to do the same to the other side, just very slow motions, very light hand with this. It is a very, very pigmented blush. Then I'm also going to go over the bridge of my nose where we put down that contour with the blush, just to give it that more rosy sunburn effect. And then what I decided to do was fake freckles, and I thought the easiest would be doing it with my Tangle Teaser. So all I did was put the Maybelline Fit Me contour stick, the cream one, and I put that on the little bristles, and I just tapped it on my face, and it actually worked out a lot better than I thought it would. The freckles really looked really cool, and I thought they just were pretty perfect for my first time trying it like this. I was very happy with the results, so I definitely recommend doing that. Then we're going to dip into the Ofra Nikkie Tutorials Everglow. And I'm taking the two shades Glazed Donut and Glow Goals. I'm mixing those together to create the highlight. So it's not a really blinding, it is still blinding, but it's not very like white. It's more bronzy too. And I'm putting that on my Cupid's bow, on my nose, and on my chin. Just all the places I wanted to highlight. And then we're going to go in with the Nikkie Tutorials Ofra liquid lipstick in shade Spell, and this is so pretty. It's a very orangey, very sheeny color, and I just thought it was so pretty. You are going to need 2 coats of this though, so after the first coat dries, go back over with it with a second coat and you'll be good for the whole day. And then the last thing we're going to go in with is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Just to set this all in, because I will be outside, I will be doing things, and I just want it to stay all day no matter what. And this is the end look, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and I really hope this gives summer vibes, because it gives me summer vibes, like, all the way. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope be sure to like and subscribe, and I will also link Nikkie's tutorial down below just so you all see where I got my inspiration. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys. See you next time.